Our next person is a person that helped us a lot in organizing this conference and also was mentioned already as building up the relationship between Israel and Hong Kong. Sagi Karni, Consul General here of Israel. Please.
Minutes? Yeah. 15?
Whatever you got to know.
Okay, good morning, everybody. Great to be here. Herman, it's the second time this week that I spend my morning in Cyberport with a group of Israelis, so I suppose you're doing something good. May I applaud my friend, Professor Yesha Sivan, for his enthusiasm and initiative to have this current event. Kol hakavod. Tell you, when I checked the Oxford Dictionary for the definition of venture, it's read, undertaking that involves risk. Well, that makes sense, but I don't know what to make out of it when I'm asked to talk about the future of venture. Basically, what can we say about the future? In Israel, it is common to be cautious with predictions. As you know, especially predictions involve the future. But I would like to say a few words on venture capital, if I may, and Israel, and perhaps to take the risk with a benign prediction. The figures for 2014 regarding Israel provided by Ernst & Young place Israel as world leader in VC per capita. Okay, US comes second, Europe third, average Europe, and China fourth. And there are good reasons why so much VC is pouring into Israel. Some of it is due to the correct and timely government policies, despite most of you might think or believe even governments sometimes do the right thing, but it usually after exhausting all the other options. I can tell you that my estimation is that in the last 3+ years, we've seen roughly $500 million US venture capital coming from Hong Kong to Israel. It's a very substantial amount of money, and it's very important for our economy, where high-tech is, I would say, a main engine of growth in Israel. Now, I'm not saying all this $500 million US is Hong Kong money. Could be, and actually we know for a fact, in many cases its money comes from the mainland, but it's managed here in Hong Kong, and it's managed and supervised and goes from here to Israel. And this is very, very substantial. And in this respect, Hong Kong became a rather important hub for the Israeli high-tech sector. I think it would be rather safe to say that if we look into the short-term future, we can think of technological innovation needs to solve three major problems or challenges. A, food. B, water. 3, individual smart medicines. And in addition, I can add cyber, just because the threats are too large to be ignored. Now, unlike smartphone apps, which lots of people think it's a lot of innovation in them, good technological solution for those three sectors, plus the fourth one that I mentioned, required good basic science and experience. I do believe that there is a good chance that we will see venture capital flowing in one way or another to the location who have seriously invested in those sectors. And I also believe that Israel actually did so. So in this respect, this is as far as risk that I'm willing to take this morning of making predictions, and I wish you all a first enjoyable day and a fruitful day, okay? Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sagi, for all your support and help.